First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To use multimodal AI, start by understanding that Gemini can work with different types of information, such as text, images, documents, and videos, depending on the capabilities available in your current model and workflow. Begin by deciding what you want the AI to accomplish. For example, you could provide an image along with a written question and ask Gemini to analyze the image and explain what it contains. You can also combine text instructions with files to create more useful workflows. Open your prompt and add the supported media or files you want Gemini to process. Then clearly explain what you want it to do with each input. For example, you could upload an image of a chart and ask Gemini to identify the main trends, then provide written instructions asking for the results in a short structured summary. Submit the prompt and review the response. If you need more information, ask follow-up questions about the same inputs when supported by your current workflow. You can also combine different types of information for tasks such as document analysis, visual question answering, content extraction, comparison, and summarization. For example, you could provide a PDF and an image and ask Gemini to compare relevant information from both sources. When working with multiple inputs, make your instructions clear so Gemini understands how each piece of information should be used.